Okay, we swear this just popped up. We literally just walked by this and we're standing in front of this little...
Looking at the wood there and like walking that way, and we found some really cool stuff.
Yes.
And this,
was just sitting.
under, you know, you can tell it's pretty fresh because there's still dirt on the cap of it, and you can still see the bulb, the universal egg sac thing. And I swear it was not there when we came by the first time. It smells really good.
I'm gonna smell.
Like the dirt.
Oh, that's awesome.
I know.
I'm gonna take a spore print of this tonight. See how it comes out.
I mean, look at how that soil stained my finger. This nice dark.
That is really wonderful. That's goodness.
So, you know, like at home, there's little spots where I take the red cedar.
Yes.
That's been decomposed, and I rub that on my hands, and it feels, you know, leaves me a red stain and a little.
Yeah.
This is also feels very similar to that red, except for it's black and it smells like dirt, like really good dirt.
Yes.
I mean,
This is
it
a
is.
beautiful piece. Oh, specimen.
I mean, look, there's leaves. There's so many leaves. There's leaf litter. It's important.
Yeah, I get you.
So soft. Wow, this just happened.
It's so quiet. Yes, you can see the fresh.
Freshish.
Freshish.
Glad we came here.
I too.
This is a hidden gem.
It is.
And we go places all over, and this is... I'm sure there's been other times, but like the last time I'm really registering it being this quiet was like New Hampshire when we were at like that Crawford Notch Park.
Okay, yes.
Like,
Oh, I just saw him right before he bounced. Hippity hippity.
Oh man, you're like 10 times smaller than the toad in our backyard. It's not even a yard, it's in our paved alley. You should come home with me. I gotta feed you lots of stuff.
He is really pretty though. Yes, I would agree. I was trying to remember when I recall it being this quiet last. And it was far enough back. Oh, wow. Look at the greenery.
Oh, maybe at in Murphy for the eclipse after Mom and Dad left. Oh no, but there was the pond. Like the filter,
Yes, there was.
the motor filter.
There was that. You're right. So, it probably is New Hampshire then.
I mean, October Mountain was nice, but there was power on that power plant.
Yeah. Alright, one last. Get up here a little bit further, see if we can get away from the underground stream. vehicle coming.
Mm-hmm. Two vehicles leaving, okay.
Outside of the birds, off to about 9 o'clock. Thank you, HP.